everyone, I hope you're all well. This is just a quick video, even though I know I've been away for a very long time. I have been busy and I need to use the bag today, so here is the unboxing and a quick one, and I hope it's okay. I'm going to do a full review of the bag after I use it about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It comes in this huge shopping bag, paper bag. It doesn't come in a box actually, but I asked them to provide me in box, so I think they just give me a shoe box. And I know from the title you've already know it's from Balenciaga. So this is actually a gift for myself for my birthday. It's my 31st birthday, guys. So here it is. It's very small, and this is the box. So I'll just put it here. Open it. I got the bag I think 3 days ago, but I haven't had the time to use it because of work. And today it's my off day, so I need to wrap this bag now. And ta-da! Here it is. This is the Balenciaga City Mini in brass hardware in lambskin leather. Isn't this cute? So I've been wanting this bag for so long, and I finally just pulled the trigger and get this for myself for my birthday. Alright, I think you guys are familiar with the bag already. It smells so nice. It smells like leather, guys. This is the care card. This is the price tag, and if you are interested to know, focus, this is the price, and this is back. Alright, and what is it? Say BLMG Balenciaga Luxury Noir. That is the number, if you can see. Okay, right, and this is the inside of the bag, in front, back. This is the strap. So yeah, I'm going to model this after this. This is a dust bag. It's a very nice dust bag. Yeah, I think that's all. I hope you enjoy. So that's a very quick one, and I'll see you in the next video. It's about my another unboxing and slash a review for Chanel espadrilles and Louis Vuitton toiletry 15 case, and those are not the real deal. Those are the replicas. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the receipt. I got this in the gardens in Mid Valley. Yeah, these are the receipt. These are the receipt from the everything. Just ask me if you want to know anything on the comment below. Comments below if you want to ask anything, and I'll see you on my next video. And that's all. I hope you take care. Bye.
Forever in my mind.